Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put the bounds for this one. So that should be about dz, dy, and ds. So in this situation about dz, that is from s minus y to y minus s. The next one for y, that is from s to number 1. About ds from 0 to number 1. And now we need to calculate this one. So the integration for dz, we don't have z, so that's why we have z in here. And we put the bounds from s minus y to y minus s. So y minus s, they will go in here. S minus y, they will go in here. So we have 2y and we have y minus s minus of s minus y. So we simplify this one. So y minus negative y, so we have y plus y, we have 2y. Negative s, we have negative 2s. Now we need to expand. So 2y with 2y, we have 4y squared. 2y with negative 2s, we have negative 4sy. Next, we have dy, the integration of y squared in here. We have 4y to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have 4sy squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from s to number 1, ds. So I will put number 1 going here and here, and s going here and here. So we have like this. And now we have 4 over 3 minus number 2s minus 4 over 3 s to the power of 3 plus number 2s to the power of 3. Now we simplify again. And now we have the final answer. Now we put number 1 going here, number 0 going here, and we have 1 over 2 And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.